Aaron, you missed the last couple of games with an injury, but good to be back with the lads.
Yeah, it's really good. There's a great atmosphere here at the moment, and yeah, it's good to be back, being a part of it, and yeah, hopefully I can contribute to the team's performance on Sunday.
You and Joe Allen missed the last couple of games against Bosnia and Cyprus, but you must have been impressed by what you saw.
Yeah, obviously really gutted not to be a part of that. Got two great results, and put ourselves in a good position early on. So, which is something that we haven't done in the last few campaigns that we've been involved in. So that was very pleasing, and hopefully now we can build on that.
What was good, I'd imagine, even though you weren't playing, the full house against Bosnia and the way the crowd got behind the team. I can't remember a side. Usually after a goal or draw, sometimes get jeered off. They were cheered off. There was a standing ovation, which is great to have the public on your side, isn't it?
Yeah, it was obviously nice to see the crowd getting behind the team, and and filling the stadium, and it looked a great atmosphere. And I spoke to some of the lads, and they said it was a great atmosphere to play in as well. It really helped them, and Bosnia are a good team, and I think they were the #1 seed in our group. So yeah, it was always going to be difficult against them, but everyone played their part, worked hard, and managed to get a good result in the end. And the crowd definitely played their part as well.
You're still young, but you seem to have been around. You have been around for about a good 8 or 9 years now, because you came into the squad very, very young. You said there about making a good start. Does that make a difference? Do you feel in the mood in the squad, in the players, when you get together, that you after 3 or 4 games are actually really in this group this time?
Yeah, definitely. I think we've always started off slowly, and having to play catch up early doors is always difficult, and you get off to a couple of bad results, and people then already write you off, so it's difficult then to get the crowds and stuff. But this time around, everybody's feeling good, everyone's excited, and there's a real good feeling, and we're very optimistic that we can qualify this time.